If Photopea is stuck on a grey screen, don't worry. This usually comes down to a browser issue, an extension conflict, a graphics setting, or a cached file that needs to be cleared. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump into it. The first fix is the Incognito test and extension check, because this is one of the most common reasons Photopea suddenly turns into a blank grey workspace. Aggressive ad blockers, script blockers, and even automatic dark mode extensions can mistake Photopea's interface for something they should block, which can wipe out the canvas and leave you with nothing but grey. To test this, open a new Incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Then go directly to photopea.com in that private window. If Photopea loads normally there, that tells you the problem is almost certainly one of your browser extensions. If that happens, go back to your normal browser window and click your extensions icon. Start turning off anything that could affect scripts, page layout, colors, or ads. That includes ad blockers, dark mode add-ons, privacy tools, or any script-related extension. For the best result, whitelist Photopea or disable the extension specifically for photopea.com instead of turning it off everywhere. Once you refresh the page, the grey screen should disappear. If that did not fix it, the next step is to force reload Photopea and check WebGL hardware acceleration. Sometimes the grey screen appears after zooming, panning, or using a heavy tool because the browser graphics engine has crashed or the layout cache has become corrupted. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 to do a hard refresh. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces the browser to ignore the old cached version and reload the page cleanly. After the page reloads, look at the top menu bar inside Photopea. Go to More, then find Use WebGL and make sure it has a check mark next to it. If WebGL is already enabled and the grey screen is still there, try clicking it once to turn WebGL off. This is a very useful workaround because it forces Photopea to switch away from GPU rendering and use CPU rendering instead. If your graphics driver or browser acceleration is the issue, that single change can instantly bring the workspace back. Now let's move to the third fix, which is resetting your view and panels. Sometimes Photopea is not actually broken at all. What happens is your canvas gets dragged off screen or your panels get closed by accident, which makes the whole workspace look empty or grey. To fix that, press Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. This is the fit to screen shortcut and it can instantly snap your hidden canvas back into the center of the workspace. If your image was just zoomed way out or pushed off screen, this shortcut usually brings everything right back. If the right side panels like layers or history are missing, or if the layout just looks completely wrong, go to the top menu bar, click Window, and then choose Reset. That restores the default panel layout and can fix a workspace that was accidentally rearranged or minimized. If you still have the grey screen after that, the next thing to do is clear your site cache data. This helps when Photopea has updated on the server, but your browser is still holding on to an older, mismatched version of the site files. When that happens, the interface can freeze on a grey block and refuse to load properly. To clear it, click the small padlock icon on the left side of your browser's address bar. Then choose Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data, depending on your browser. From there, click Clear Data or Remove All. After that, close the tab completely, open a fresh tab, and go back to photopea.com again.
This forces your browser to fetch a clean, new version of the site instead of reusing broken files from storage. In many cases, this final step is enough to fully restore Photopea. So to quickly recap, if Photopea is showing a grey screen, first test it in incognito mode and disable suspicious extensions. Next, hard refresh and check WebGL. Then, reset your view and panels. And finally, clear the site cache data if the problem is still there. One of those fixes usually solves it. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Photopea issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.